birthday, Darren. Maraming salamat. What's up, mo? Alam nyo, hiningin po ako ng message kasi for our baby boy. Dahil is man, of course. Pero maraming tatanong sa akin. Ano ba yung masasabi ko sa development natin? Nagmula ng The Voice Kids. Unfortunately, ang sagot ko dyan, hindi ko alam. Kasi hindi po ako napasama sa The Voice Kids. That was one of my biggest regrets. Pero more than that one, regret ko po, hindi ko nakilala si Darren ng Swaga. Because right here, I'm beside one of the most talented kids in the whole universe. At ang gusto ko sa kanya, down to earth pa.
Thank you po.
Whatever happens, Darren Espando is my champion. He is our champion. He is our champion. Amazing to say that. Tonight is yours. Tomorrow is yours. The future is yours. Happy birthday.
Again, we